Hello guys, hello people of Earth. So today's video I'm going to share you this that I've been purchased in the small grocery here at Poland. So I'm sure this kind of fruit is originated from Asia, around the world. So here, I am long time living in Earth, but still I don't have idea. Even I'm from the Philippines. So look, what is this kind? So for now I'm going to peel off. See? Take a look, guys. See? What is this kind of so juicy? Wow. Has a seed inside. Look, it's pulpy, juicy texture. So right now I'm here in the middle of the cornfields. So my house in the backyard is a cornfields. So second is again. So I'm going to peel off, peel, and look at this, it's juicy. I saw in the small grocery here in Poland, and it caught my attention to buy this kind of fruit. And please comment down below, what is this kind of fruits? It's juicy, pulpy, and it has a seed like this. It sits like a coffee candy color. So guys, this is the short video. That's all. See you next one. Bye bye.